Hey guys! Today illustrated a fix. iPhone is too close problem on iOS 17. So if you guys are having some issues with your iPhone is too close to your face and want to go in and remove that from your device, this is gonna be pretty easy. Because what we need to do first is to tap on our settings of location, go on over a screen time, and make sure that our screen distance over here is turned off. Now, if this is turned on, of course, it will warn you if in the case a trifle is too close to your face to reduce eye strain. Now, if you don't really want to have this prompt on your device, just go in and turn this off, and you're good to go. Of course, enter your screen time password if you do have one enabled. And that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one, and take care.